If you are using a Windows computer and you open the Microsoft Word, you must keep in mind this keyboard shortcut, that is Alt 119858 for getting typing a Y key in a bold format. In other, in your keyboard you can see that if you want a Y, then you must press this Y, but if you need a bold Y, that is if you normally press this Y key, then you can see that a small letter Y have been added. And suppose if you want to bold this Y using a keyboard shortcut, then there is a method for doing this. You can simply go to your keyboard, and in this keyboard you can see that this is the number lock key, so I must press this number lock key. So now you can see that the number lock is enabled. Next step is you can see an alt key here, and you must press this alt key, that is you do not remove your finger from this alt key, you must press this alt key, and at the same time you must type here the shortcut I first shown here. You must type here 119858. So after typing that, you can release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that if you type like this, then you can see that a small letter Y in a bold, so you can see that this a bold small Y have been added. So this Y in small letter is bold now. So hope this keyboard shortcut helps you. For more videos, subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.